Higgsfield's Ultimate Plan is pitched as the smart choice for pros, bundling unlimited access to multiple AI models like Nano Banana Pro, Seedream 4.5, Flux 2, Flex, Minimax, Halo, and even early access to Kling 3.0. On paper, it looks stacked. Unlimited image and video generations, concurrent processing, and lowest cost per credit if billed annually at 29.4 a month. The catch is the pricing and overlap. Many of these models are already accessible individually or through other platforms at lower cost. The exclusive features are mostly bundled convenience rather than unique innovation. For casual users, the plan is overkill. For heavy creators producing daily, the unlimited credits and concurrency could justify the price. The ultimate plan isn't a scam, it delivers what it promises, but it's only worth it if you're a power user creating content every day. Otherwise, cheaper, pay as you go options or smaller plans may be smarter.